Today we are headed over to, where are we going, guys? K1 Speed. For those of you guys that don't know, K1 Speed is basically electric, that's electric go-karts basically. And they go pretty quick. I don't know, how fast do you think they go?
15. Yeah.
15 miles an hour? That's where we're headed. Let's go. Okay, we're here. We are at K1 Speed. You guys ready for this?
Yeah.
You ready?
Last lap, they won't allow glasses in the helmets.
Yeah, they won't. That's not happening.
But you also...
All right, let's go. Who's running first?
Last time we did it at the same time.
Yeah, you do this?
Here, I'm going up this way.
I'm going up this way. This one's quicker.
That's cool.
Actually, no, it's the same.
Let's go see if anybody's running.
I don't know if anyone's on right now. Travis, that says where you check in.
Yeah, I know.
There I used to connect.
It's the same.
To flip and then what then?
I'm not gonna race. You guys are racing.
Cool.
Yeah.
I could go on the junior league.
Yeah. This thing's pretty cool.
Is it a real F1 car?
Maybe. Maybe it's been decommissioned. I don't know.
I bet you it's the same.
Let me see if there's anything in the back we can take a look at.
These wheels,
Who knows?
real wheels. The wheels are real.
Yeah, they are. It's cool though. Looks pretty sweet. I don't know if there's an engine in it or not.
No, there's not.
Y'all just gonna wear those things the whole time?
Yeah, we got like 10 minutes.
What are you doing?
Look it, you have 10 seconds. Shoot.
Go, go, go. What's it supposed to do?
I don't know.
All right, Trav.
Oh, another guy that got 600. 71.
Go. Not bad. You gonna win something?
Oh, you have to hit in the middle. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh well. You think you should do a what?
Junior league one day.
Come in and do junior league?
It's like it's contesting against other people. Look at that helmet. Mine's like.
Lovely.
It's gonna be fun.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Trav, you ready? You ready? Y'all ready? Ready to do this? All right. Nice work. High five, buddy. Good work.
I was focused on him, not the steering wheel, and then my cart turned into him, and he got bumped, and he got ahead of me.
Gotta be strategic with it. You really do.
I kept getting.
If you can use the brakes the least amount of time as possible and turn into the turns while you're either accelerating or letting off the gas.
Huge turn. I can
the
do
best
that
way to
without
do
the
it.
brake. I can do that without the brakes.
No?
But you spin and that, like, yeah, it kind of drifts you. Dad, whenever I was next to you and you were videoing me, I drifted. Remember?
Yeah,
Did you see me drift a little?
I thought you drifted a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw me and Trav when we first started.
Travis is drifting coming around the corner there. It was pretty cool.
While I was with Travis.
So earlier he bumped me, and then later, like 5 minutes later, 44 got stuck.
Number 44.
Yeah, he got stuck, so it's kind of karma.
No, you hit the side of the wall and almost like flew out of control.
Fun. That was fun.
That was actually pretty fun.
Yeah,
Our race is next, I think.
We got about, I think we got about 20 minutes or something like that.
Yeah, can we get like a drink?
You want to get a drink, or do you want to wait and hold off a little bit, and then we'll just go
they
grab
have,
something to
like-
eat and drink
no,
on the way out of here?
Probably wait and go hold off.
All right, so let's get something to drink. What do y'all want?
Yeah, wings here.
I know they have wings, but we're gonna go get food afterwards.
Can we go to K's?
We'll see what's around.
Yeah.
It's okay, you did all right.
I already beat their car.
Y'all don't seem very happy with your results. Why not?
My cart wasn't working.
It wasn't?
It had no gas. They didn't charge it for long enough. Guess what, Dad?
What's up?
First place.
And I'm 8th place.
Let me see.
Broke.
Come here, come
First
sit.
place broke. He's first place and best of the week.
Oh, he is?
Yeah,
it looks like he is.
38.
Not bad, man. You're doing pretty
The
good.
last time I did better.
Yeah, last time you did do a lot better, but it's okay. It's no big
I
deal.
did horrible.
Oh, you didn't do that bad.
I didn't get any Gatorade.
I was turning on the inside, and then
Sipping
Travis
right on.
went right in front of me, so I T-boned him,
Yeah.
and he was stuck because he didn't know how to do the reverse.
That was super fun. Let's go this way. So, that was successful, right?
Yeah.
You had fun? There's Trav. Trav, you have fun? You guys did pretty good. Obviously, there's some kids that have done this a lot longer than you have, so they're a little bit faster.
38 seconds a lap.
I saw that.
I
It was
got
pretty quick.
48.
He was moving pretty quick.
And he
Also, he had a head start, though. I think that, if you talk about the kid with the Ferrari jumpsuit?
Yeah.
Yeah, he had a little bit of a head start. I don't know.
Like 2 cars.
And his cart was faster for some reason. I don't know what that was all about.
Last time. You had your
There was a speed setting that they must have played with or something. Anyway, y'all hungry?
Yes.
Let's get some food. Let's get some food.
Oh, I just got paper bread.
Oh, what'd you get? Is that what you got? That's what yours? You got your ketchup?
Did you get
Nice.
the cheeseburger? Or did you get
Mine's in the bag.
What
Okay.
kind of fries? The small or the big?
I had the big, you had the small. I'll share with y'all.
Only ketchup. I'm getting sick, boys.
What about you, Trav?
Getting 8th place.
8th place. All right, so we just picked up some McDonald's real quick. You guys had fun overall? Should we do it again? We can't do it again today, but we can do it again another time. Yeah? All right.
Bye.
Catch you guys later. Bye.